So I want to talk about this comment like right here because there's been quite a bit of different comments that are similar to this. And again, apologize. I am home in bed sick today, but no, I am not a lawyer on this case. No, I am not a lawyer at all. Yes, I have studied law. I have been involved with the big cases, corporate cases, civil cases, domestic cases, and yes, front lines of a murder case. However, there's a lot of things that I do not know. I know a little bit about a lot of different things, but this is just to show, based on the current information that we have, that right now there is a defense for Alexi. And you may not like that, you may not agree with it, but you know what? That's the country that we live in. And everybody gets a defense. Remember, the burden of proof does not lie on the defense. The burden of proof lies on the prosecution, and they're going to have to convince 12 people beyond a reasonable doubt 100% of her guilt. The defense team does not. They only have to convince one person that there could possibly be something else going on here, or sow those seeds of doubt, because we all remember what happened with the Casey Anthony case. Now, more information is going to come forward. This is only based on what we currently have, a handful of interviews and the surveillance footage. We may be having an entirely different conversation later on. More truth is going to come out. More lies are going to be exposed. More footage. There's so much more. We haven't even begun to scratch the surface of the amount of evidence that is here. There's tons of stuff out here on social media and TikTok about how guilty she is and everything else. I just wanted to show what the other side could possibly look like. So if you have a problem with that, then go back to the other side of TikTok that is all about prosecuting her. You don't have to be here. But again, understand that this is America. She's entitled to a defense, and guess what? She's going to get one. And she's probably going to get a good one. So don't be surprised when a lot of the stuff that we do discuss here starts to come to fruition, especially in a court of law. So get your panties out from being in a bunch and understand that there are three sides to every story. So there's going to be the prosecution, there's going to be the defense, and there's going to be the truth. Could be one or the other or both.